It is the final autocross event of the year, and check it out. We've got the Prius today. So it's our Halloween event, and we're doing, some people are in costumes, like Jay out there is a hot dog, but some of us are also dressing up our cars, and this is my FRS dressed up like a left lane Prius. We're gonna run this thing. It's the last event. I'm already clinched for the year, so I'm not worried about points, but I am gonna try to podium in the Prius. Those stickers are not mine. That is for the costume, because a left lane Prius wouldn't be complete without bumper stickers.
That's what I was gonna ask. Is this an open bottle?
That's an open
driving
bottle.
Or sipping and steering, or like driving while?
I don't know. Listen.
know. Top
we did say no drugs or alcohol.
I got a pizza.
We didn't say no drugs or alcohol here, so you know
I
what?
don't know. I can't drive.
Hi, Jay.
That's a drug test.
How do you pass the test?
He gave us
This
a
is how
shot.
it looks.
Oh, he gave you a shot? Let's go racing.
Can't believe these wheels fit.
I figured out how to put it into diagnostic mode so traction control was off.
That's fine. And they're your big ones too. Wow.
All right, so first heats are down. We got a 35.8, which is not too shabby, but we're dead last in street touring. I think we could do better. Still trying to dial in some rotation here. I got the rears up to 65 PSI. Maybe we go to 70? All right, it's my turn to run. Let's see if we can improve. It's getting a little shittier out, but we're gonna try and improve the time and see if we can do any better. Trying to get it to rotate more. Conditions have deteriorated and I got slower, which is, I guess, what you would expect. But, yeah, that was fun. That whole, man, this car's so good in slaloms, but pretty trash everywhere else. So that's our SCCA season done and dusted. It's time to go home, time to relax for the winter. Yeah. I love it while it's happening, but I'm glad that it's over for right now, and we get to just have a little bit of a relaxing winter. And I know next Sunday I'm gonna be like, man, when's the next autocross? But for now, yeah, I'm feeling good, and I'm ready for winter resting and whatnot. So, hey, we do a new video every single Taco Tuesday, and I think that you should hit that subscribe button and hit the like button if you like this video. It tells YouTube that I did a great job, and I think I did a great job. I don't know about you, but I think this is pretty cool. So hit the so hit that button. I'll see you guys next Taco Tuesday.